that.
Hi, Barbie. How are you?
Oh, I forgot you were coming to the picnic. I'm so glad you made it.
Thanks for having me.
Whoa.
Sorry I'm late.
Oh yeah, it's okay. I'm just glad you made it. What would you like to eat? We have popcorn, we have some marbles, and orange juice.
I'm gonna have some
I'm thirsty.
waffle.
Hey, Skipper. How you doing?
Good. I'm just listening to music.
Let's see. I'm just gonna take the popcorn bowl over here.
Then I'll get
I
this
love
one on
popcorn.
lunch.
Let me take my... I'm just gonna put it on my lap. I love popcorn.
What is that? Oh my God! Oh, help! 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 Being attacked! Oh God! Oh, what is that? Oh, the birds are trying to get the food.